Good day, everyone. It is a big honor for me to stand in front of my well respected lecturer and also to my fellow colleague on seat. Um, my name is Christopher Daniel Shinedu with matric number 1905551 The title of my seminal work is A Study on Eigenvalues and Eigenvectors of Matrices. It is clearly seen in on page Roman figure 2 that the abstract of this study actually explores the fundamental concept of eigenvalues and eigenvectors within the region of linear operators and also the pivotal concept in linear algebra and with extensive application. This study will actually outline a forthcoming chapter, which is for the project, where we will actually present a systematic approach of computing eigenvalues and eigenvectors, especially focusing on what on the 3 by 3 and the 4 by 4. Actually, in this seminar work, the particular approach we introduce is that of 2 by 2. That is how to find the eigenvalues and eigenvectors of a 2 by 2 matrix. Now let's go straight to the introduction. Concerning about the introduction, which is the section 1, under the introduction, that is where we actually have the background of study, such that the background of eigenvalues and eigenvectors are well presented in section 1.1 as it is clearly seen on page 1. Same thing goes with that of the statement of problem. Now, one thing about this statement of problem is that um, right from time we used to come across a challenges which actually needs a deeper investigation. And what are these challenges? We come across a particular question which says, how can we develop algorithms that can accurately and efficiently compute eigenvalues? That is, the algorithms to follow, an accurate algorithm, and that will actually give us um, an efficient step to compute these values, these eigenvalues and these eigenvectors. So, and also in generalizing, by the time we come straight to generalization, we also come across a problem which says, what are the properties of eigenvalues and this and the eigenvectors? What are their properties when it comes to matrix structure? And how can we also extend our understanding in this case? So I think this is clearly seen and this is clearly um, stated that we are trying to get properties. We are trying to introduce the properties of eigenvalues and eigenvectors, and also develop a particular algorithm that can be used. Now, considering this algorithm that's actually here, we try to introduce the algorithm in section 3. Yes, the algorithm is well presented in section 3, and also as for these properties, it is well presented also in the theoretical framework, which is in section 2.2. And the aim and objective of this study simply implies that we want to try to, the aim of this study is to advance our understanding of this particular topic called eigenvalues and eigenvectors of matrices, both theoretically and practically. For this seminar work, we are going to begin with the theoretical aspect. When it comes to time for projects, which is for next semester, we are going to work on the practical aspect with a focus on efficiency and generalization. And what is the major objective? What are the objectives of this study? One, we want to review and analyze an existing algorithm for computing eigenvalues. We already have an existing algorithm, so I will start by using the same existing algorithm and then use this algorithm to solve or to compute eigenvalues and eigenvectors. And also, we need to identify their strength, the weakness, and areas for improvement. And the areas for improvement will be well stated in further research work, which is the project research. And also, the second objective is to investigate the properties of eigenvalues and eigenvectors, and also to provide a deeper theoretical understanding of this concept. So, the third one is also well stated in this case. Now, whatever I've said so far actually gives us an insight of on the statement of problem, the introduction, and the abstract of how